Guys, welcome back to my channel, and today I am going to show you this fan pleat gift wrapping method. The first step is to create the paper fan. Start folding the paper in about inch wide pleats. You have to do it all the way. I know it's a little bit difficult method, but if you follow the directions, you can do it. Now when all the pleats are done, make it nice and sharp and reopen the paper. Turn around the paper and start folding another sets of pleats which are at an angle, but for this one you are using the previous pleat lines as guides. Keep doing it, and at the end you will start seeing the fan taking a shape. Now once again you have to turn it over and fold a triangle from the smaller pleat to the wider pleat and cut it with the help of a scissor. This will give you an actual shape of the fan. Now gather all the pleats at the bottom, and now the fan is almost ready. Now the next step is to wrap up the box, and I always like to use contrasting gift wrapping paper to create a better look. And now it's time to connect the paper fan with the wrapped gift box, and I'm using a double-sided tape for this method so that I can actually get the cleaner look. And here, as I use the scotch tape, I am cutting off the excess. Now at the bottom of the fan where pleats are gathering, I am putting a tape and then a double-sided tape once again and putting it onto the box. Now it's time to close it up from the top and the bottom. Notice that here as well I'm using a double-sided tape for a much cleaner look. The bottom fold is a little bit tricky because of all the gathered pleats from the fan which are at the bottom. So you will need some scotch tape to hold it in place, and then use double-sided tape to close it off for a cleaner look. This step is completely optional. I am using a red ribbon and creating a bow. After that I added a leaf, and here is the final look. Let me know in comments what do you think, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more amazing content that's coming for you guys in future.